the mango insulin row is concerned. There's been a big setback for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as the Delhi court has now rejected his petition for a daily 15-minute video consultation with his doctor regarding his acute diabetes and fluctuating blood sugar levels. Last week, Chief Minister Kejriwal had in fact alleged that he was not being administered insulin in jail, leading to alarming rise in his blood sugar levels. However, the court has now directed AIIMS to constitute a medical board to determine whether he needs insulin to control his sugar levels and address his other medical issues. The court has in fact stated that the medical board will prescribe a diet and exercise plan for CM Kejriwal, and has stated that he can have home cooked food provided it adheres to the diet prescribed by the medical board itself. This comes as the court has in fact denied Kejriwal's request and plea for a daily video consultation with his doctor. My colleague Shubh Rana joins us on the broadcast this morning with further details regarding what exactly has the court said. Can you take our viewers through what were some of the key observations made by the court?
Yes, definitely, because in yesterday's hearing, it was a big setback to Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, because the plea was rejected by the Rouse Avenue Court, and the court was led by Justice Baweja, in which she had said that a medical authority team would be formed for Arvind Kejriwal, and it will decide whether insulin should be provided to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal or not. Because Aam Aadmi Party have been continuously alleging the Chief Minister that Arvind Kejriwal's sugar level is really getting really high, and according to the report submitted by the Aam Aadmi Party, whether you talk about Atishi, whether you talk about Sanjay Singh or Saurabh Bhardwaj, they have been constantly pointed out that Arvind Kejriwal's sugar level is more than 300, and when he was in ED custody, his sugar level fluctuated to 48. So Aam Aadmi Party have been clearly stating that their Chief Minister is being put to slow death by the Tihar officials, and due to which a court hearing in which Rouse Avenue courts have rejected the plea, in which Arvind Kejriwal was also saying that he must be allowed to interact with the doctors through video conferencing, and he had demanded that 10 minutes time should be given. But the court have rejected its plea, and the court have said that a special provision will be formed for Arvind Kejriwal, in which a special medical teams from the AIIMS hospital, from the doctors of AIIMS hospital would be formed, and they will decide the diet plan, and it will also include a special diabetologist, because this is what the cabinet minister Atishi have been continuously pointing out, that Arvind Kejriwal is not being given the assistance which he requires, and since April 1, when Kejriwal is in Tihar jail, essentially pointing out that the Chief Minister under the slow death. But yesterday's court plea has clearly stated a special team would be formed for the Chief Minister, which will decide whether insulin would be required or not, as Atishi have reached the Tihar jail a day after yesterday, and she have taken the bottle of insulin in her hands, and she has handed over to police officials. All the police officials have not taken that, so it was a big politics over insulin, due to which the court's plea have given it an end. Yes, back to you.
Indeed, Ashub, stay on with us. In fact, yesterday after the verdict, Aam Aadmi Party leaders have spoken to the media. They've in fact hailed this verdict. Let's listen into what exactly is their stance.
देखिए, आज राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट ने जो फैसला किया है वो इस बात को साबित करता है कि पिछले 22 दिन से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को तिहाड़ जेल में जुडिशियल कस्टडी में सही मेडिकल देखरेख नहीं मिल रही थी, सही मेडिकल सुपरविजन नहीं मिल रही थी। आज उनकी जुडिशियल कस्टडी की 22 दिन बाद कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया है कि एक स्पेशलिस्ट डायबिटीज़ के डॉक्टर, एक स्पेशलिस्ट डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट, एंडोक्रिनोलॉजिस्ट का मेडिकल बोर्ड बनाया जाए, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट मिलने के लिए, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की पूरी देखरेख करेगा। तो इस बात को ये स्पष्ट कर देता है कि 22 दिन से इतनी सीवियर डायबिटीज़ होने के बावजूद, शुगर लेवल 300 के ऊपर होने के बावजूद, उनकी इंसुलिन के रिक्वेस्ट के बावजूद उनको सही मेडिकल देखरेख नहीं मिल रही थी। तो हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये जो एम्स का मेडिकल बोर्ड है, जिसमें स्पेशलिस्ट डायबिटीज़ के डॉक्टर होंगे, वो आज ही मिलेगा, आज ही अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का चेकअप करेगा और आज से ही उनकी इंसुलिन की डोज शुरू करेगा।
अरविंद केजरीवाल करीब 22 दिन से तिहाड़ जेल में हैं। काफ़ी दिनों से वो ये बात कह रहे हैं कि मेरी शुगर लेवल बढ़ रहे हैं और जेल के अंदर कोई स्पेशलिस्ट डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट नहीं है और मैं इंसुलिन की मांग कर रहा हूँ और इंसुलिन नहीं दिया जा रहा। इसी कारण उन्होंने कोर्ट से कहा कि मेरे को मेरे स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर से वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करने की इजाज़त दी जाए, क्योंकि जेल में नहीं है। बार बार केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से कहा जा रहा था नहीं जी, सारे स्पेशलिस्ट जेल में हैं। आज कोर्ट के फैसले से ये बात साफ हो गई कि तिहाड़ जेल में कोई भी डायबिटीज़ का स्पेशलिस्ट नहीं है और कोर्ट ने कहा कि एम्स एक मेडिकल बोर्ड बनाए, उसके अंदर वो डायबिटीज़ के स्पेशलिस्ट हों जो तय करें कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की क्या इलाज होना चाहिए, किस दवा की ज़रूरत होनी चाहिए। मैं समझता हूँ हम ये एक स्वागत योग्य कदम है और इससे इस बात को साबित किया गया कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जो कह रहे थे वो सच कह रहे थे।
All right, we've heard both Aam Aadmi Party leaders say that this verdict is in fact a proof of what Arvind Kejriwal has repeatedly been saying as far as the administration of insulin is concerned. Meanwhile, there's some breaking news coming in with regards to this. Sources are telling NewsX that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was given insulin in Tihar, contrary to what the Aam Aadmi Party claims. Sources are telling us that CM Kejriwal's sugar level was continuously high and insulin was in fact administered after the very first time after the ED's arrest of the Chief Minister. My colleague Shubrana still with us on the broadcast live. So big news coming in from our sources. Our sources are telling us despite claims made by the Aam Aadmi Party as far as the insulin row is concerned, insulin was in fact administered to CM Kejriwal.
Yes, definitely. This is a big breaking coming on NewsX, where we tell our viewers that, the top sources of Aam Aadmi Party have been clearly saying that now insulin have been given to the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal when his sugar level have fluctuated to 320. And, after his fluctuation of sugar level, he have been provided insulin in the Tihar jail. And, he have been also been assisted to the special AIIMS medical team where the coach have ordered yesterday, where we have also talking about it. And in this special team, in this Arvind Kejriwal have been provided the insulin, which the Aam Aadmi Party have been clearly stating that Arvind Kejriwal have been given a slow death by the Tihad officials. But on the contrary, this breaking have been coming in where it is being said that Arvind Kejriwal is being provided insulin because there was a war over insulin. It was like Aam Aadmi Party versus Tihar jail, because when we hear Tihar jail, DG, he have been clearly stating that it's better to not make politics out of something, because in Tihar jail there are more than 20,000 prisoners and more than 9,000 prisoners are diabetic. More than 9,000 prisoners have been treated under sugar. They have been provided insulin. Then why there is a politics over one prisoner, which is the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal? So there have been big breaking coming in where today Aam Aadmi Party top sources have been saying that Arvind Kejriwal is provided to insulin when his sugar level have been fluctuated to 320. And in a latest tweet, Saurabh Bhardwaj have also stated that after a lot of battles fought by the Aam Aadmi Party, finally the Chief Minister has been provided insulin, and they have been saying that the AIIMS medical team should give a proper checkup to the Chief Minister, irrespective of whatever ideology they follow. And the Chief Minister should be treated because he is Delhi Chief Minister, and not only Delhi Chief Minister, he is the Rashtriya Sayojak of Aam Aadmi Party, and Aam Aadmi Party would be contesting over 22 Lok Sabha seats. So the fitness of Arvind Kejriwal is very mandatory.
All right, Shubh, there seems to be certain problems as far as your connection is concerned. We'll try to get that rectified. Meanwhile, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast live this morning. There are some other reactions pouring in. In fact, Tihar Jail Director Sanjay Beniwal has also spoken about allegation of CM Kejriwal's weight loss in the jail. Let's listen in to his statement as well.
तिहाड़ में 20,000 इनमेट्स हैं। अब 10% भी माने और 2 जने आते हैं तो 4 से 5,000 इनमेट्स के घर वाले रोज आते हैं। तो एक ऐसी प्रणाली होती है जो सबको आसानी से एक्सेस हो और सबके लिए यूनिफॉर्म हो और कानून के दायरे में हो। यदि कानून कहता है कि किसी भी वस्तु का आदान प्रदान नहीं होना चाहिए और शीशे के आसपास होनी चाहिए, तो हर आम कैदी के हर आम घर वाले जो मिलने आते हैं वो इसी प्रणाली में मिलते हैं। किसी को कोई कष्ट नहीं है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.